Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade an existing actuator with a hard board. First of all, cut the power. Next step, take the 5mm Allen key and open the 4 screws on the display cover. Next step, unscrew the logic board. Carefully flip the logic board over and remove all connection cables. Next step, remove the distance pillars here. Every part you need for upgrading this actuator is coming with a kit. First thing, put the plastic screw through the hole here and put the distance pillar on it. Next step, fit the hard board on the logic board. There's only one possible way to do this, so that all 3 holes are matching. Fix the plastic screw. Put one distance pillar here. Fix the screw with the red washer. Another distance pillar here. Now you have to attach the cables from the connector cable. First thing, the yellow one in the first one. There is a mark here and here from 1 to 4. We're starting with the yellow one at 1. Then the green one. Next step, the black cables. Make sure everything is tight. Connect the ribbon cable. This side. Connect the other cables. The 8-pole connector comes here to the adapter cable. This one goes here to the logic board. Next step, the 10-pole connector. And also the 6-pole connector. Make sure you don't squeeze any cable when you are mounting the logic board back. Make sure there is no cable somewhere in the way of the display cover. Now connect your display. Be careful of the O-ring and the connection cable. Power up the actuator and get your infrared dongle and connect to the actuator. Make sure that your infrared connection is activated on your actuator. Now open your Smart Tool and connect to the actuator over infrared. Go to Wizard, Extension Kit Install, Apply, and choose your hart interface. A stable internet connection is required. Press Yes when the smart codes are generated. Refresh the actuator. And after that, your hart interface is available.